Good afternoon, class. I am Rico Jundas, your teacher for today, and you can call me Teacher Rick. Is that clear, class? So, how are you today, class? That's good to hear. Now, let us check your attendance. Is anyone absent today, class? That's great. It means that no one will be left behind in our discussion for this afternoon. Before we begin our discussion, let us read first our classroom rules. Classroom rules. Follow instructions, respect everyone, participate actively, move safely. As we go on, I hope that all these classroom rules will be followed. Is it clear, class? So I will show you a video of myself doing an exercise. Please observe because after this, I will ask you some questions. What did you notice about the video class? Yes, Rona. So if you're going to try and learn a new dance choreography, what are the things you do? Yes, Vaughn. Very good. So now, so what do you think is the importance of practice? Yes, Axel. That's great. So why is timing important in dancing? Yes, Samantha. Very good. Timing is important in dancing because it helps dancers move correctly with the rhythm and the beat of the music. You know, class, when we dance, we don't just move randomly. Every routine begins with simple, basic steps. These steps are the foundation that helps us follow the rhythm, coordinate our movements, and enjoy the activity. Because our lesson for today is all about the basic steps of waltz. Before we dive into our discussion, let us read first our objectives. At the end of the lessons, the students are expected to identify the three basic steps of the waltz, like back steps, forward waltz steps, and backward waltz steps. Show appreciation and a confidence in performing the waltz with a partner. Demonstrate the waltz step with correct rhythm, posture, rise and fall movement. Alright, I hope that these objectives will be achieved at the end of the lesson. Is it clear, class? So now let us first discuss waltz. What is waltz? Please read, everyone. Waltz is a graceful ballroom dance using 3/4 time rhythm that requires coordination, timing, and cooperation between partners. It uses simple and repetitive steps that making it accessible even for the beginners. So waltz is originated in Europe and became one of the most popular ballroom dances in the world. So it is commonly danced in formal events, social dances, and dance competitions. So there are some basic steps of waltz. So the first one is the back steps. It is basically the starting pattern that helps dancers learn how to move smoothly in waltz rhythm while forming a box shape with their steps. So how to do it? Box step. You step forward, side and close. First half of the box and then step backward, side and close. Second half of the box. The second step is the forward waltz steps. It is part of the basic waltz steps where the dancer moves forward instead of backward while following the waltz pattern. So how to do it? First is you have to step forward with the left foot, and then step to the side with the right foot, and lastly, close the left foot beside the right foot. And the last step is the backward vault step. It is the opposite of the forward vault step. It is when a dancer moves backward in a waltz-shaped pattern while keeping the waltz rhythm. How to do it? First is step backward with the right foot, and then step to the side with the left foot, and close the right foot beside the left foot. So that's all for today, class. I hope discussion and you learn new something today. So see you when I see you around. Goodbye, class. Ayun na, kita naman kong video.